So you're going to need some hard-boiled eggs, a disposable paper plate, some painting trays, I got 2, and some acrylic paint, those are the colors I used, some black food coloring, or you can use gel food coloring as well. And you're going to need paint brushes. I used a sponge brush and a bristle brush. And you're going to need some egg dye, like vinegar, to put with your black food coloring. And yeah, those are all of the ingredients. So what I did next was I dyed all of my eggs black, and I kind of used a egg carton to rest them in. There's one that's drying right now. And you can see how it's kind of like a weird green color, and then they dry and they turn black. So here is with the first couple of coats of paint. You can see I've designed them with swirls and some splatters. And they're looking really cool. I mean, they're still wet right now, but, I mean, you can see that I've done all sorts of designs, and I'll add more colors as I go along. Here is the second and like third, fourth coating of paint that I put on them. And you can see that I've kind of started to mix the colors together, and they all are mostly unique as I can tell. I was actually really surprised on how these turned out, to be honest. I mean, it's my first time doing a galaxy on an Easter egg, so yeah. And then here is where I added some of the gold and turquoise sparkle paint. I didn't really show those in my ingredients because those are things I just added on as I was painting the eggs. You can see on some of the eggs where they're sparkling. See, like that one and that one, they're sparkling, and you know, they have gold on them. And then on here is me adding, well, it was like after I added the stars. To do the stars, I just did a little splatter paint that I normally use whenever I'm doing galaxy paintings. And what I used next was this Mod Podge. It's a pearl Mod Podge, so it makes like a gleaming pearl-like color. Here, I'll show you what it's inside. That's what it looks like on the inside. Well, that's when it's wet. But whenever it dries, it looks really pretty. So here is basically the finished eggs, what they look like. You can tell how like they're all unique, and how some of them have sparkles and glitter. I'm not really a big fan of glitter, but glimmering glitter. So yeah. Here's another view of the eggs. See, on that one right there, I added pearl onto some of them, and right there on that star I added pearl as well. So it kind of, whenever the pearl dried, it kind of turned on a brownish color. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.